Juventus, the kings of black and white, once wore pink with a fridge brand on their chest. In the 1980s, Juventus had a bold away kit, bright pink with black trim, way before it became trendy, and splashed across the front, Ariston, an Italian home appliance company best known for fridges and washing machines. It became iconic, thanks in part to legends like Michel Platini and Zbigniew Boniek wearing it. It was strange, stylish, very 80s. And now, that pink Ariston shirt is a cult classic among collectors. It might have been for fridges, but that kit? Still cool today?